Hi everyone. Today we will discuss how does Amazon deliver the next day.
Hello, I am Dr. N. Sriram, holding PhD with specialization in business management and a certified management accountant from Australia. I am also holding a practitioner status from Chartered Quality Institute, London. I conduct classes for undergraduate and postgraduate students based in India and overseas. With vast professional experience gained working at a Swiss MNC based out of Geneva at the director level position, I integrate traditional teaching with real life examples. I am also a faculty in World Economic Council based out of New Delhi. Having successfully taught, trained over 500 professionals who have gone on to take up leadership positions in various companies. My aim is to make today's students future leaders of tomorrow.
Imagine ordering something at night and having it on your doorstep the very next morning. How can Amazon make this happen while others take a week? The secret lies in operations strategy. Operations is not a hidden back office function, it's the engine that drives how companies compete and succeed. Operations strategy is the long term plan that connects a company's resources and processes to its overall goals. Think of it as the bridge between a CEO's vision and daily activities on the shop floor, in the warehouse, or in the call center. Without this alignment, strategy remains only on paper. There are four main competitive priorities. First, cost as seen in IKEA's efficient low cost model. Second, quality demonstrated by Apple's premium reliable products. Third, speed best shown by Amazon's fast delivery. Finally, flexibility, which Zara achieves by rapidly adapting designs to fashions trend. Every company must choose its priorities carefully. It's also crucial to distinguish order qualifiers from order winners. Qualifiers are the basics. A supermarket must sell safe, fresh food. But winners are what tips the scale for customers. For example, 1 hour delivery or an exceptional returns policy. Knowing the difference helps companies decide where to invest in operations. Let's return to Amazon. Customers wanted both speed and low prices, a tough challenge. Amazon's operations strategy responded with vast warehouses, robotics, and advanced logistics. The result was Prime Delivery, which became its old winner. This is a clear example of how operation strategy shapes not only efficiency but also competitive success. To wrap up, operation strategy is strategy in action. Competitive advantage comes not only from ideas but from how processes are designed and executed. The next time you receive a package in less than a day, remember it's not magic, it's operations strategy at work.